First, we'll test the conventional burners by laying some hamburgers out across the grill, followed by placing a couple nice steaks on the grill as well. It's time for our steaks first crosshatch. Looking good so far. The grill's giving us a nice flame kiss without any crazy runaway flare-ups. Our steaks are ready to be turned. Nice. Let's give the hamburgers their first turn so we can see how the blaze is performing with them. Looking good. Nice and even so far. I'll remove the steaks, and we'll come back in a minute for the hamburgers. Let's remove these burgers and get them inside so we can check out the performance on this Blaze grill. Nice! The Blaze gets high marks for hamburgers. The moment of truth for me is steak. The camera doesn't lie. Blaze grills get high marks for steak as well. Now we'll check out Blaze's optional ceramic infrared burner. I'm getting hungry just watching. Blaze's optional infrared also gets high marks, but now we'll have to perform the low heat pizza test. This should give us a real feel for Blaze's cooking evenness. I'll give the pizza a little turnaround just for good measure. Let's get this pizza inside to see how Blaze did. There you have it. That's a pretty even pizza crust. It appears Blaze Grills gets high marks for performance and evenness.